There's lots of things that I've really enjoyed about this project, and the fact that I'm back on the tools and doing stuff that I've been doing for over 30 years now has made some really satisfying days. But it's also the discoveries, finding the chimney behind me, finding some old pieces of timber that I'll recycle into shelving later on, making little discoveries about the house, and the fact that in the end this place was pretty neglected for a number of years, and so to bring back some of the heritage elements to it, to be sympathetic to the original design of the house, to be considerate of its environment, where it's located in the street and in the community, means that, for me, I feel pretty proud that we've done something to restore this old house.